VESIsorb Ubiquinol-QH CoQ10 is an advanced formulation, ideal for those looking to restore or boost energy levels, manage heart health, and for supporting fertility and active lifestyles. But to benefit from any supplement, the body must be able to absorb the ingredients. And to benefit from ubiquinol in particular, blood plasma concentrations matter. Standard ubiquinol is a large, fat-soluble nutrient, which makes it difficult to digest and absorb, meaning bioavailability can be low. At Igennus, we use a patented delivery system called VESIsorb that outperforms all other delivery systems in its ability to deliver higher blood concentrations of CoQ10, with overall bioavailability being improved by 622%. Clinically active CoQ10 blood plasma levels provide all-day action with just one single 100 mg dose. VESIsorb mimics the body's own fat digestion and absorption process by pre-digesting the ubiquinol into microscopic droplets, making it water-soluble so it's fast-tracked through the gut and into circulation. Similar to liposomal delivery systems, the VESIsorb droplets consist of a core of ubiquinol surrounded by a layer of emulsifier, which protects it from stomach acid and oxidation. Required in cells to support energy production, VESIsorb ubiquinol is recommended for those with energy management problems. Low levels are often observed in those with cardiovascular disease, diabetes, muscular dystrophies, fatigue management conditions, and smokers. Also, as we age, the body's ability to metabolize ubiquinol decreases, peaking in our 20s and declining thereafter. Those prescribed statins are also likely to experience reduced serum levels, around 50% less after 30 days of treatment, which may lead to statin-induced myopathy. Ubiquinol is also recommended for supporting heart health, offering energy and potent antioxidant support to your most vital organ during times of high demand. And finally, as an effective antioxidant, ubiquinol supplementation is recommended for supporting fertility, improving the energy metabolism of egg cells, supporting sperm count and motility, and supporting the IVF process. VESIsorb Ubiquinol-QH is for those who require intensive support and are serious about supporting their health. Since blood concentrations of CoQ10 determine clinical effects, the best outcomes are seen with consistent daily use. VESIsorb Ubiquinol-QH is delivered in small, easy-to-swallow capsules, is free from dairy, gluten, lactose and soya protein, and is suitable for those following halal and kosher diets.